So I had my 2015 C-Class, and I thought I'd do a very short video on the wiper blades and a little review on some blades I bought recently from Wipertech. And these guys are based in Aussie, and they took about a week to get here, which is pretty good considering it's Christmas time. And basically, you know, wipers are one of those things that, you know, they're not really the most important, amazing thing about your car, but if they aren't good blades, they're going to get really annoying and squeaky and loud and scratchy. And I don't know when the previous owner last changed these blades. They were starting to get quite squeaky and loud. I bought some local ones from Super Cheap Auto here in New Zealand, and they didn't quite fit properly, so I ended up, and they costed me $100 New Zealand. So I bought these, and it was $70 New Zealand dollars. And they came in through, and it's pretty straightforward to install. The real test of a good wiper blade is one that is silky, smooth and quiet. You can't hear it, it doesn't jitter or anything, it just goes over nice and smoothly. So we go over here, and as you can see, no noise, doesn't make a noise, it's not scratching anywhere. And I'm super happy. So Wipertech, they advertise these as being very smooth, very quiet, streak free, and I must say I'm very impressed. So go ahead and buy some blades from Wipertech.